Welcome to the Sally B's Skin Yummies education webinar. I'm your host, Ryan Christopher, licensed esthetician and beauty educator. Sally B's Skin Yummies are truly organic formulas with effective ingredients. The brand has three pillars that describe its purpose for being. For your skin, Sally B Skin Yummies are created with all skin types and conditions in mind. Every product is rich in antioxidants that help to reduce environmental effects on the skin. We know that sun exposure and environmental pollution are two of the external factors that speed the rate of aging in our skin. A topical application of antioxidants daily will help to reduce this damage. For our health, we use the highest quality, most effective certified organic and natural ingredients available. We exclude common irritants like parabens, sulfates, synthetic dyes, and fragrances. Our formulas are gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, and do not pollute our planet. Now more than ever, we should be concerned citizens of the world and think about the daily personal care products that we are rinsing down the drain. For the planet, our ingredients are naturally derived and biodegradable, leaving no negative impact in our water supply. We only choose recyclable materials for packaging and work to reduce plastic waste in our environment. Now let me tell you a little bit about the founder. Passionate about ingredients and inspired by her own health journey, Sally Larson has been a pioneer in the natural products industry since before it was cool. Her products have filled a much-needed void in the skincare market by creating truly organic product alternatives since 2005. She continues to embrace the research and work with chemists around the world to find planet-friendly ingredients that have made her products so sought after. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the Skin Yummies Complete Skincare Set and show you how these products are useful in my professional facial treatments. The Tamanu Luxury Facial Cleanser is oil-based, using organic saponified oils of coconut, olive, and jojoba, along with organic camellia oil and tamanu oil. It helps to remove makeup and deeply cleanse the skin in preparation for next steps. This cleanser can be used as the initial cleanser to remove makeup or can be used in both steps during your double cleanse. You can remove the cleanser with facial cottons, sponges, or a warm towel for best results. The Fruit Acid Toner is a multitasking product that helps to cleanse, hydrate, and gently exfoliate the skin. The Fruit Acid AHA blend helps to break apart excess oil production and leave the skin feeling fresh and clean. In the facial, this is a preparatory toner after the double cleanse and before any physical or chemical exfoliating. Estheticians will also know this toner as an effective degreaser for the skin. Daytime Antioxidant Serum. This lightweight serum absorbs quickly into the skin to help prevent the formation of free radicals and provide all-day moisture. It helps prevent wrinkle formation, fine lines, and other skin damage from deep within. It's called a serum, but depending on your skin type, it can easily double as an effective moisturizer for daily use. I close every organic facial with this serum to leave the skin dewy and rich. Key ingredients include a blend of neroli, calendula, and rose hydrosols, along with organic black cumin seed oil, organic green tea, and hyaluronic acid. Peptide Booster Serum. This serum is oil-free and formulated with hyaluronic acid, organic hydrosols, and P-peptides to help hydrate and smooth the look of aging skin. This serum is an excellent follow-up product to a chemical peel or other deeply exfoliating treatments. The pea protein focuses on binding moisture to the skin along with hyaluronic acid. It is beneficial for all skin types, and with daily use will help to smooth the look of aging in the skin. It can be used morning and night. Antioxidant Skin Boost. This beneficial vitamin C powder is packed full of proven anti-aging and restorative ingredients. It helps with the overall repair from the effects of stress in the sun. The bottle comes with a scoop to mix with your night cream or serum. Daily use will help to brighten your complexion and fight free radicals to help prevent signs of aging. Key ingredients include vitamin C, and it's over 60% of the base of this formula. It's also important to remember that vitamin C in its powdered form stays completely stable until you mix it with a water based product like a serum or moisturizer. Another important thing to remember is that vitamin C is essential for the skin to make more collagen. We only get this ingredient by applying it topically or through our diet. This product can be used daily to brighten and tighten the skin on the face or anywhere on the body. Carrot Facial Dream Cream. This cream features carrot seed oil, which is loaded with antioxidants that nourish the skin. It is formulated with additional organic oils and botanicals that help to deeply moisturize. It is perfect for people with dry or maturing skin that need that little extra boost of moisture. It includes carrot, rosehip, and camellia seed oils, along with avocado and argan oil, and an olive based squalane. Intensive eye repair. Formulated with effective vitamins, oils, and botanicals, including organic black cumin seed oil, hyaluronic acid, and a touch of caffeine. These ingredients help to firm skin, reduce the effects of aging, and is a gentle, natural moisturizer excellent for the delicate skin around the eyes. A little bit goes a long way, and not a full pump is actually needed to treat both eyes. Citrine Complete Botanical Treatment, a daily face serum and moisturizer in one. It includes a blend of anti aging peptides, rejuvenating antioxidants, and balancing probiotics. This dynamic moisturizer offers smoother, brighter, and healthier skin that is velvety soft. This moisturizer is excellent for all skin types and makes an excellent finishing lotion for your facial. It includes organic rose, lavender, and chamomile floral waters, along with other key ingredients that bring an antioxidant protection to the skin. Be Quenched. Be Quenched is a lightweight moisturizing oil that quickly absorbs. It is excellent for normal to dry skin types and can help to reduce sensitivity for those that are severely dehydrated. It also helps to layer over the peptide booster serum for best results. The Tinted Moisturizer is a daily lightweight lotion that can be worn under foundation or by itself. It helps to gently even out any skin tone and balance the moisture level in the skin. Sally B Skin Yummies provides specialty products for daily use at home and also for certain steps of the facial protocol. Here are a few of those products and how they work best. Be Soothed. A natural alternative to petroleum jelly, Be Soothed is formulated to bring relief to dry, irritated, or itchy skin. This versatile balm can remove makeup, smooth cracked heels, calm diaper rash, and even soothe windburn. In the facial protocol, I use a small amount of Be Soothed on a cotton tip to occlude the eye area, the fold of the nose, and the sensitive lip area before applying a chemical peel. This does help to protect the skin from any unwanted chemical exfoliation. Healing Hand Butter. This product lends relief to dry, cracked, and tired hands. Full of luscious organic oils, rich butters, and natural botanicals, this product helps to leave the hands feeling rejuvenated, soft, and smooth. In the facial protocol, I use this product to massage the hands and lower arms during the masking portion of the facial. The clients are deeply relaxed and enjoy the hand massage, but I enjoy how easily it is to do the hand massage because of the glide that the natural butters and oils provide. It does absorb into the skin, so my client's not left feeling greasy at the end of the facial, which is quite nice. Lip Assist Conditioning Treatment. Assist your lips and treat them with reparative, organic, natural ingredients. This is a transparent lip treatment and can be used as a gloss. It includes in key ingredients like castor seed oil, avocado oil, macadamia nut oil, cocoa butter, and shea butter, along with prickly pear seed oil and a little carinoba wax for more consistency. I use this product at the end of every facial treatment because my clients love to look at their skin in the mirror afterwards. And when they look at themselves, not only do they see their glowing skin, but they see their very hydrated and plump lips. The end result is always beautiful, so I never skip the lip assist conditioning treatment at the end of the facial. I hope this brief presentation was helpful for you, and you can go to sallybskinyummies.com to learn more information. Please also watch the other webinars that have been provided in order to help you learn more about the many additional products within the Sally B Skin Yummies range. Thank you so much for attending this educational webinar.